If you want to cancel your Google Calendar free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure that you do it correctly and avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Over to the Google Calendar website and sign in using the Google account associated with your calendar subscription. Step 2. Access your account settings. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen to open the settings menu. From there, select settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to subscriptions. In the settings menu, look for the billing or subscriptions section. This is where you can view your current subscriptions and trial status. Step 4. Select the free trial. Find the option that indicates your free trial for Google Calendar. Click on it to view the details and options available for cancellation. Step 5. Cancel the free trial. Follow the prompts to cancel your free trial. Make sure to confirm the cancellation when prompted to ensure that your trial is officially ended. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Google Calendar free trial. If you have any further questions, consider checking Google support page for additional assistance.